Demco Pull Station, Simplex True Alert, Relock, 7001T, System Sensor, Mini System Sensor, Spectral Alert, Advanced. New version of System Sensor. Old version of System Sensor Classic. And the fire alarms what I will need today is, well, you might see that there's a UK pull station or no. UK call point. I meant. So here are the fire alarms that I don't need and what I don't want and what I want to sell in eBay. I want to sell this fire alarm pull station and fire alarm device for maybe $34. $34 because my mom has been buying these fire alarms for me and for supporting me. So, I prefer just doing $34 so on eBay. And we're gonna do $34 on eBay. So, because these are still continuing in America, I want to sell these for $34 for this one. Do not contact me. But do not contact us, okay? Do not contact us. And there's not an issue. So in Syndico fire alarm, if you're the company of this, thank you for the fire alarm gift. We finally got his collection. First we got his collection here, then we got his fire alarm collection here. So we got used parts / new parts. So the website firealarmstore.com. Contact. Never ever go to firealarmparts.com. Do never ever go to firealarmparts.com. But you had to go to his eBay seller. He is very positive. He has a lot of true alerts like this that cost like $8.95. He is very, very 100% positive. He is very 100% positive. Please go to his eBay store. The website is called firealarmstore.com. Contact Gmail in Syndico.com. There you go. And let's look in the back. We buy new, used, and surprise fire alarm equipment. Panels, detector, models, pull stations, horn strobes, and more. We pay for shipping. I must sell my fire alarm collection why I don't want it. I want to sell for the fire alarm company for this cover. I want to sell this to him. I'm not being rude, but I restored this. I just got permission to get this one. I restored it, so I just want to give this to him. I just want to get this to this guy since he is probably from the state of Georgia. But anyways, that must be for all it for now. And for the UK fire alarm fans, here's just a call point test. These came from Dubai still. So, also that came from Philippines too. That's the reason why I don't trust Filipino fire alarms. Now, note. This year, I might plan to get a UK fire alarm. But I'm not sure when I'm going to get that. But go to his eBay store. Go to his eBay store. Go to Incentico fire alarm owner and Dew Point 8900 and go to their eBay stores. They are so positive. They are so positive. I just got this for $12. And I just got a True Alert for $8.95. Yes, it's true. Now, for this mini spectral alert advance for this fire alarm, it's just a mini toy. It's just a toy now. It used to be a mini fire alarm, but it's now just a toy, which is kind of disappointing. And I don't really want to keep this one though, so I wish I could just sell this to the eBay seller named Sentaiko. Sentaiko. Yeah. Sentaiko and Sentaiko owns this fire alarm. He owns this fire alarm, but because I bought both of these fire alarms. They are now mine, and of course these are still in Centico's fire alarm collections. No, remember Alarm Wiz, my favorite eBay seller? He used to be so natural, and he used to be so positive. But now he's making pole stations and everything expensive, which is a disappointing. Alarm Wiz, you're no longer my favorite eBay seller again. So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to cancel. I'm gonna have to remove you from the favorite seller now. This is mine, Alarm Wiz. This was actually cheap. This is only $24. $24. You don't deserve to have this. You don't deserve to have this, Alarm Wiz. This is only for Insane Daiko. This is only for Insane Daiko fire alarm. He deserves to have this. He deserves to have this. I don't have a key. I used to have a key one time, but I lost it. So, cause of my bag, it's my bag's fault for dropping it. It's my bag's fault for dropping it, but it's not my fault. It's not my fault. Shh. Okay. He deserves this, so I will be wanting to sell this to him, and I would love to sell this to him. So, but I really can't sell to him because I usually have an eBay account, but I don't know how to sell these because I'm only 12 years old and I be not be able to sell both of these fire alarms. But yeah, maybe when he will accept the request, but I cannot just sell these two fire alarm equipments because I don't know how to do it. But yeah, it's not like I don't want to give these two fire alarm items to him, but I just you know I just actually don't have a I don't have some shh I don't have something else to do, so I ended up getting this one and this one. So this is his now. This is his collection. This is his collection. I'll be selling both of my fire alarm devices for maybe at least maybe for free. Maybe for $15. We're gonna do $15 because we don't want to be too negative. We want to be positive though. So that's all gotta be for it. C alarm, CER safety, 405080, fire alarm dude 5967, and we lost 7001T communities. If you're watching this, thank you all for watching this. And C alarm, if you're actually watching this too, if you're the first to watch this, I would comment you. I would comment if you're the first to comment in the video, I will comment you back, and I would say congratulations. You were the first to comment in the comments in the video before others did. Well, that must be for it. Hope you all have an amazing day. Go to this eBay store. That's gonna be all for it. Goodbye.